Here is a tutorial on how to enable safe mode on the CMF Nothing One phone. Step 1. Access the power menu. Drag down from the top of your device's screen to open the notification panel. Drag down again to expand the panel. Tap the power button in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Activate safe mode. In the power menu, locate the power off button, press and hold the power off button until a message appears. Tap OK to restart your phone in safe mode. Step 3. Restart in safe mode. Your phone will restart and enter safe mode. You'll see safe mode displayed in the bottom left corner of the screen. What happens in safe mode? All downloaded apps are temporarily disabled, allowing only system apps to run. This feature is useful for troubleshooting issues, like diagnosing problematic apps. Once you're done troubleshooting, simply restart your phone normally to exit safe mode. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking for more useful tutorials.